Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
$300 million. That's how much money the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, had racked up in arrears to contractors.
But as Sandy Williams reports, Executive Director at the NSWMA, Audley Gordon, is insisting that the monies owed have not affected garbage collection across the country.
A garbage collection crisis. The National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, has been leaning on private contractors to help clear the backlog. But for months, several of them have not been paid, forcing the NSWMA to use funds allocated to clean up the country to pay monies owed. And so $300 million of the $561 million was used to clear up the arrears to contractors for over 2 months. But Executive Director at NSWMA, Audley Gordon, says this did not affect garbage collection across the country.
No, where we had problems is not because of the payment. We didn't have any truckers striking or anything like that. Where we had problems was more in terms of the downtime from our own units, which is why we are anticipating this 50 truck with so much excitement. Because we use supplementary, as the word supplementary suggests. We don't rely exclusively on them.
He was asked whether what's left of the budget was enough to do sufficient garbage collection.
That is not something that I can guarantee you, because I am budgeted for domestic collection of garbage. That has to be now a part of the collective partnership that I'm trying to get going, because the people have to play their part. And it doesn't matter what size budget the NSWMA get. If the people decide to litter at will and to want and they discard the items that they no longer need.
The NSWMA, however, is to embark on a major garbage collection and cleanup exercise across the island ahead of the start of the Christmas celebrations. This follows the arrival of nearly 50 garbage trucks into the country earlier this week. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.